What up, good people? Today we're gonna see how long can I survive in a hot car. A lot of people, keep their kids or dogs in a hot car during the summertime, and they're shocked on like what happened. You know what I'm saying? ArtOfSpeedd. Today we're gonna see how long can I stay in a hot car. People do it, leave their kids in the car, leave their dogs in the car. You know what I'm saying? It's hot right now. The car been baking in the sun for about 4 hours. Is 95 degrees, so like I always told you, it's 10 degrees hotter in the car, even sometimes 20 degrees. So right now it's 95 degrees outside, so it's 105 degrees inside of the vehicle. So yeah, right now I'm already started to sweat, so we are going to see how long can I stay in the car. So it's hot, it's really hot out here, so we're gonna timer on. So yeah, that started. Whew, it is hot. But yeah, a lot of people do it all the time, and I'm like, yo, why you decided to leave the kids in the car? Why you decided to leave the dog in the car? But I'm hoping you guys having a great day today. It's hot, I'm not gonna say a lie, and it's a heat advisory, so I'm sweating already, and I haven't been in the car for about a good minute yet. So let's go. This is like an animal or a kid who trapped in a car who cannot use the door to open up the door or, roll down the windows. You know how you just leave and by boom. So yeah, it is really hot out here today. I'm not gonna say it front. And it's a heat advisory. I think I already said that, but yeah. We're not gonna stay in it too long because I don't want to have a stroke or a heat stroke, and that's something serious too, because people can have a heat stroke being in the sun. So we're not gonna stay in too long. We're just gonna see how long. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna take myself to the max, but I'm gonna take it to, yeah, just for you guys. It's kind of hot, man. I've been in the car for about, I'd say about 2 minutes now, and man, I'm sweating.
Told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight, misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
I have worked in a warehouse before, so been in like them hot container trucks, man. Working, yeah, it's not fun. Trying to clear out them, I think 16-footer trucks. Whew, man. I wouldn't say this is nothing, but this is something, but it's also something serious, because heat exhaustion, heat stroke is serious, along with people dying in the car, animals too. I just tell y'all a story. When I was younger, we was moving, and I had a ferret, and so we was moving, and I decided to put my ferret in a shed. So a shed is sitting directly in the sun. He's also trapped in a cage. So I know you probably like, dang, ArtOfSpeedd. But I was young, I did not know. So we was moving, I'm like, all right, cool. I love my ferret, and I didn't know, and it was hot, and it was something like today, like a heat advisory. But we were moving, so instead of me keeping my ferret in the house, I decided to take him outside of the house, and so he can be out the way. And yeah, came back like later on that night, he was dead. I was sad, I was really sad. I'm not gonna say in line. I was crying, bro, because it was crazy. So I got my towel right here. Whew, I'm getting a little hot. Man, we hitting about what, 4 minutes or 3, something like that. So yeah, and it's hot. It's hot.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing.
Being in the launcher is hot. The launcher is black, so it's black interior with a black exterior. Man, so I know it's trapping a lot of heat. And we had a 2-minute tip Tuesday about it. I'll leave that in the description below somewhere about that. So it's hot, as you can see. Boy, your boy is sweating. I ain't gonna say in front. Sweating. God dang. So we'll probably last for about what? I say setting the timer, but I'm gonna say probably give myself 10 minutes or something. Whew, it's hot. Hot.
Told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
We going on 10 minutes now. 10 minutes. Woo! Oh. You know, it's just like a sauna though, but I'm gonna be honest with you, it's controlled. Than being in a sauna and being in a hot car. This ain't controlled. This is, whew. My arms sweating, my head sweating, my legs sweating, everything sweating. I ain't gonna say a lie, but I'm human. So, whew. Boy.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let
Whew, man, this is going on. Ooh. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's hot. I'm gonna turn the car on, man. Turn some AC on or something. It's hot. Yeah, we done it. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's freaking hot. Whew. There go the AC. Whew. Man, I ain't gonna say in front to you. I'm gonna let it go. Whew.
That happened on freaking day, you probably hear.
Came prepared. So yeah, I came prepared. The AC in the car is working, so you know what I'm saying, it's cooling me off now. But I came prepared. I came with a sweat towel and some water, so I do not be dehydrated and have heat exhaustion. But imagine me, I'm a grown man, and yeah, I couldn't even last that long. So if that's a kid or a dog who cannot get out the vehicle, it's even worse for them, because you know. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our Speed fam, go to the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.
And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance.